Hi everyone, welcome back sa aking channel. So for today's video, we will answer exponent problem. Which of the following numbers is the smallest? 2 to the 36, 3 to the 21 power, 4 to the 18th, 8 to the 12, or 9 to the 11th power. So ang question na ito ay nanggaling sa FB group na Civil Service Exam 2024. Okay, so credits kay Miss Dane Lee, siya ang nagpadala ng question na ito. Okay, so sagutan na natin. So to answer this type of problem, medyo malalaki yung exponent. So mahirap. Tas bawal ang calculator. Sa civil service exam, bawal ang calculator. So mahirap i-evaluate itong 2 to the 36, 3 to the 21, 4 to the 18, 8 to the 12, and 9 to the 11. So ngayon ang gagawin natin dito, i-compare natin yung mga base. Kailangan kabisado nyo yung mga powers dapat. So kung mapapansin nyo, we have yung mga base ang tingnan natin. So we have 2, tapos 4, and then we have 8. So yung 2, 4, 8, lahat yan ay powers of 2. Okay? So powers of 2 yung 2, 4, 8. Ito namang 3, tsaka itong 9, powers of 3 naman yan. Okay? So ibig sabihin, pwede nating ma-convert yung mga base natin na magpare-parehas natin. Itong 2, 4, at 8, pwede nating maging magkakaparehas ng base yan. Okay, so ngayon yung 4 to the 18 gawin nating 2. So alam naman natin na ang 4 ay equal sa 2 times 2 or equal sa 2 square. Okay, so therefore, ang 4 to the 18 ay pwedeng isulat as palitan natin yung 4 ng 2 square. So we have 2 square and then raised to the 18 power pa siya. Raised to the 18 power. So ngayon, i-apply natin yung power of a power. Kapag dalawa yung exponent natin, minumultiply lang ito. So therefore, 4 to the 18 is equivalent to 2 to the 2 times 18, that is 36. So ibig sabihin pala, yung letter A pala, 2 to the 36, tsaka itong letter C, magkaparehas lang. Parehas silang 2 to the 36. Okay, so walang smallest dun sa dalawa, walang smaller sa dalawa kasi parehas. So try naman natin yung 8 to the 12. So ang 8, pwedeng isulat ang 8 as tatlong 2 ito. Okay, so ang 8, tatlong 2 yan. 2 times 2 times 2, that is equal to 8. Or tatlong factors of 2, so that is 2 cube. Okay? So therefore, 8 to the 12 power ay pwedeng isulat as palitan natin yung 8 ng 2 cube. So we have 2 cube and then raised to the 12 power pa siya. Then again, apply the power of a power. Pag dalawa yung exponent, pwede nating i-multiply. So therefore, 8 to the 12 is equal to 2 raised to 3 times 12, 36. Okay, pare-parehas pala yung letter A, letter C, tsaka letter D, pare-parehas. Okay, so since magkaparehas lang yung A, C, and D, so ang pwede na lang maging answer dito ay ito, B or E na lang ang pwede. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng maging sagot natin ito, pare-parehas yung A, C, and D. So, ito na lang 3 raised to 21 tsaka 9 to the 11 ang i-compare natin. So, itong 9 raised to 11, 9 raised to 11, so yung 9 i-express natin ang 9 as power of 3. So ang 9, that is equal to 3 times 3. Okay, so dalawang factors ng 3, so therefore 9 is equal to 3 squared. Okay, so therefore 9 to the 11 power equal siya sa palitan natin yung 9 ng 3 squared and then naka-raise pa siya sa 11. So dalawa ulit ang power natin, 2 at 11. So i-multiply natin, that is 3 raised to 2 times 11, 22. So ngayon, ano yung mas mababa? 3 raised to 21 itong isa, tapos itong 9 to the 11 ay 3 raised to 22. So therefore, ang magiging sagot natin dito ay itong letter B, 3 raised to 21. Okay? So letter B ang magiging sagot natin dito dahil mas mababa yung exponent niya. 3 to the 21 or 3 to the 22. Kahit hindi na natin i-try yan, ang 3 raised to 21, smaller yan dito sa 2 raised to 36. So, kung gusto nating malaman na smaller talaga siya, pwede nating i-test pero bawal nga ang calculator. Pero dahil nga yung AC at DA pare-parehas, so ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng maging smallest itong 2 raised to 36 kasi magiging tatlo yung sagot. Sa civil service naman, hindi pwedeng tatlo ang sagot, dapat isa lang. So automatic, ito na yung answer. Pero kung gusto nating patunayan pa rin na mas maliit ito, so ganito yung gagawin natin, pababain natin yung exponent. Kunin natin ang LCM ng or GCF, greatest common factor ng 21 tsaka 36 para mapababa natin ang exponent. Parehas divisible ang 21 sa 3. Parehas divisible sa 3 ang 21 at 36. So 3 raised to 21, that is equal to 3 raised to 21 divided by 3, that is 7. So 3 to the 7 cube. Ayan, itong isa naman, 2 raised to, ang 36 divide natin sa 3. So magiging 12 yan. And then cube. Okay? So ngayon, i-compare na lang natin ay itong 3 to the 7. Since parehas namang cube ang exponent, ang i-compare na lang natin 3 to the 7 tsaka 2 to the 12 power. Okay? So ayan, medyo mababa ng exponent niyan. So kunin natin yung mga powers ng 7. Diba ang 7 ay 3. Pwede natin gawin itong 3 to the 7 as yung mababa lang, 3 square. Okay? 3 square kasi 9 lang yan eh. 3 square times 3 square times 3 square times 3. Yan, 7 yan. 2, 4, 6, ito 1 ito. Kaya 7. Ito namang isa, 2 to the 12, pwede nating gawin niya na 2 cube lang, medyo mababa. 2 cube times 2 cube, ilang 3 ba yung 12? So, magiging 4 na 2 cube kasi medyo mababa yung 2 cube. Ang 9 square, that is 9 times 9 times 9 and then times 3. So yan, medyo mababa yung number, i-multiply na lang natin. So ito naman ang 8, 2 cube, that is 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. So tapos i-multiply natin to, 8 times 8, that is 64. And then itong isa, 64 din. So yan, medyo maliit na yung number natin. Tapos ito naman, so we have 9 times 9, that is 81. And then 9 times 3, that is 27. So i-multiply na lang natin, 2 digits na lang. Pero again, tapos na tayo dito. Pinapakita ko lang na pinapatunayan lang natin na mas mababa itong 3 raised to 7. Ayan. Itong 3 raised to 21. Pinapatunayan lang natin na mas maliit siya kaysa dito sa 2 raised to 36. Okay, so 81 times 27. So multiply lang natin. So 27 times 81. We have 1 times 27. 27, 8 times 7. 56. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 5, so that is 21. So the answer is, bring down 7, 2 plus 6, we have 8. Ayan, 2187. Okay? Ito naman, 64 times 64. So multiply lang natin. 64 times 64, 4 times 4, we have 16. 4 times 6, 24 plus 1, so we have 25. 6 times 4, we have 24, carry 2. 6 times 6, 36 plus 2, we have 38. And then add natin 6, 5 plus 4, we have 9. So this is 10 and then 4. Okay? So malinaw na mas mababa si 2. Ayan. 2187 lang si 3 to the 7 and then 4096 si 2 to the 12. So therefore, smallest number natin ay itong 3 raised to 21 which is letter B. Okay, so again, pinatunayan lang natin ha. Tapos na tayo dito pa lang sa part na ito. Tapos na tayo dyan. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for watching and kita-kita tayo sa mga susunod pang mga math reviewer para sa civil service exam. So good luck po sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.